Hello, my dear student. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing or talking about your question paper, and you can see on the screen, mobile screen. You can see here is the question paper, and this question paper is for class 7th, and it is the subject English, and it is the PA first exam. It means periodical assessment first, and the session is 2021 to 22. Okay, so listen careful and watch out complete video. Okay, so let's start the explanation of the question paper. First, you know that here the your question paper has been divided into the four parts. First is the section A, second is the section B, third is the section C, and fourth is the section D. Okay, so we discuss about the first section, and it is the reading portion. Okay, you can see here it is the reading portion, and let's know more thing about the question number 1. Read the passage carefully and answer the following question. Okay, so it is the here is the marking, 10 marking. So listen carefully, it is very important for you, and if you listen carefully, then you do or solve the question paper easily. So passage is: I know I am not an ordinary 10 years old kid. I do ordinary things. I eat ice cream, I ride my bike, I play ball, I kiss and feel ordinary. But I know ordinary kid don't make other ordinary kid don't make. You can see here the word don't make other ordinary. It's repeat 2 times. Okay, so you have to improve it. Okay, away screaming in playground. Via is the sister. Okay, his sister can get really annoyed when people do something rude. Okay, so you can see here is the not question number 2. It is the question. Okay, it is the question that taken from the paragraph. Okay, so first you can see here, you have to read out 1 time 2 time of the paragraph, and then reply, fill in the blanks. Okay, and the blanks is August knew he was not an dash kid. Okay, so you search out the word that is the appropriate in the blanks. Okay, second is however he dash ordinary. So you have to search out the word, which word is used in the blanks. Third is this was because he did things like other. Okay, and the fourth is when other children saw August for the first time, they were. So you have to search out the word, which word is filled in the blanks. And fifth is also via his sister. You can see this statement right down in the below of the paragraph. Via his sister felt she had to protect him from other people. Okay, so you have to write down it. First you read carefully the blanks, and after that fill it. Okay, it is very easy. Now we talking about the section number B. It is the writing section. So you have to read here. Write a letter to your principal asking for 5 days leave due to poor health. Okay, due to poor health, it means you are suffered from any disease, suffered from the fever, suffered from the jaundice, suffered from the etc. or the disease. You can explain in your application, and you asking to your principal to 5 days leave. Okay, so you have to write down it is the application, and its marking is 5 numbers. Okay, now next question is write an essay on COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so it is very important for you, and you also face many difficulty during the COVID-19, and you also lost your education and knowledge. So I think it is very important for you. So you have to think about the COVID-19, what will happen and what will next happen. Okay, so you search out and write near about 10 sentences, near about 10 sentences of the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, and its marking is 5. Okay, now next section number C, it is the grammar section. And first you can see here, fill in the blanks with the proper tenses. And I know very well, you all know about the tenses. Okay, there are three parts of the tense: present, past and future. So according to the subject and predicate, you have to fill the proper verb. Okay, you have to fill proper verb. And when you use the verb, okay, so to you fill appropriate verb, proper verb in the blanks. And when you use the verb, then also attentive on a tense. Okay, according to tense you have to use the verb. And you also remember one thing more, that the subject and verb agreement. Okay, if the subject is singular number, then you use singular number verb, and if your subject is plural number, then you use plural number verb. That's clear. Now next, here is the question number 5. Question number 5, answer the following questions. Okay, so I think it is the definition. So you have to write down the definition of the following question. What is the sentence? So you know very well about the definition of the sentence, and after the right definition you also write down the example of the sentence. Okay, and second is, what is the subject and predicate? You have to write the definition of subject and definition of the predicate. Okay, and also write the example and represent of the subject part and the predicate part. Okay, and now third is, how many kids of the sentences are there? Kinds, it's here kinds, sorry. How many kinds of the sentences are there? Name them. Okay, first you write total, tell me, first you tell the kind of the sentence, how many kind of the sentence. So I think everyone know about the kind of the sentence, and you write in a sequence. Okay, write into the sequence all the kinds of the sentence, 1 2 3 etc. The you write the name, only name. Okay, not definition. Now next is section D. Okay, and it is the last part, so listen carefully. Question number 6, answer the following question, and its marking is 15. Okay, so you can see here the 5 question, 1 2 3 4 5. So all question including 3 marks. Okay, so it is very important. So first question is, what nickname did the kids in school give to August? Okay, so write the August nickname that given by the school's member or school kids. Okay, now second is, why did August not go to the school? So you can write down here what is the reason the August did not want to go school. Okay, now third is, why did Malala's father think he was lucky? So I think you know very well about that, the reason is the Yusuf Malala, why he think that he was lucky. Okay, and now the question number 4, why does Malala's father spend a lot of time going to the conferences on education? So I think you also you can write down the answer of the question if you read it and learn it. Now option number 5, what is the cause Malala want to devote her life? Okay, so it is the question answer. So you have to write answer of the question with the neat and clean handwriting. You always write the answer in a sequence. Okay, if you write the answer, then also put up the question number. Okay, first you put up the question number and write the question number, and then write answer. That's clear. And you write complete answer into the sequence. First you do also mention the section. Okay, so I hope you all understand about the question paper. So we meet in the next video. So thank you for the watching video.